guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. It feels so weird to look at myself in the viewfinder with this hair. In case you missed my last vlog, I did a hair transformation video there. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you to all of you who left very sweet comments in my last vlog. But today we're back, y'all. We're back with another Amazon video, but this is one of my favorite annual Amazon videos to do. It's called Amazon Finds I Use Every Single Day, and I only do things that I actually use every single day, not occasionally, not every other day, every single day. I've done it every year since like 2018, and it's my favorite video because I go through my entire house and I show you guys my all-time favorite products that I use and cannot live without. So everything will be linked down below, including past videos from the past years in case you want to see how much it's changed. And you can always check out my Amazon shop for even more of my Amazon favorites, Amazon recommendations, all that good stuff. And follow me on Instagram for even more of me. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. This under the sink organizer is a freaking game changer. I've talked about this a little too much on my channel, but I love the fact that it fits perfectly under the sink. You can drill it onto your cabinets. You just have to make sure it fits, which it should fit most cabinets. And then you have a nice pull-out organizer. It's amazing. And then here we have some more organizers from Amazon that we use all the time. Here is one of my favorite Amazon finds for the kitchen. It is this insert for our cabinets. We have 2 trash cans, and we usually put recycle in here. These are pretty universal and they come in different sizes, so I'm sure you could find one that fits one of your cabinets, but we have it right by the sink and it's just so convenient to have, and it's kind of like out of sight. Now we have these bowls that are actually life-changing. So they come with this silicone grip at the bottom. You can either get different colors or you can get the neutral ones, but they all have matching lids, so you get a ton of different sizes with their matching lids. Let me show you. So here are all the matching lids, and the biggest one has a hole in the middle. So it comes with this hole, so you can either beat something and not have it go everywhere because it keeps it contained, or it also comes with a few different attachments like a mandolin, a grater. This is one of my favorite things from Prime Day. It's this ladder that is the prettiest gold bronzy color, and then it folds completely flat so you can really put it anywhere. It's so good. It's worth every penny. The quality is amazing. It wipes clean really well. It comes in different colors as well if you're not into this one, but I think this one is so pretty, and I love the fact that it's tall enough for me to reach like almost everything because I'm super short. Okay, my husband is doing the dishes, so I need to hurry. But next up we have this sponge holder that just suctions into your sink. I love that it's out of sight for the most part when we actually have a sponge, and that it's like matte black. I think it's really pretty and functional. And then we have this, my favorite. It's a touchless soap dispenser. I got it during Prime Day. I love the brass color. It's just so stunning, and it's rechargeable. It has no batteries at the bottom, so that means that it's not gonna fail like all the other ones did. This next bag that I got recently, it's very Stony Clever, but for way less. It's huge. I don't know if y'all can see how big it really is, and we just use it to keep Olivia's snacks here if we go on a walk, if we go to a restaurant, if we go to a doctor like we are today. It's just such a good thing to have, and everything's just like in one safe spot. We keep her plates, which is something else I use every single day. I think I'm gonna make a part 2 with just baby stuff though, so stay tuned for that. Then we have my belt bag. I use this to go run to the post office, to go work out, anything. I just keep a few cards and my ID in here, and my keys, obviously. So we have my keys. This is from Amazon. I don't know if they have it anymore, but if I find it, I'll link it. It's just a little keychain that I can wrap around my wrist and then keep it like this. It's just very nice to be hands-free, especially when you're a mom. And then this is from Amazon. It's like $5 and it's changed my life. It's to open the car seat with buckle without having to use my nails, because as you can see I do glue on nails from Amazon as well, and I was breaking them all the time or it hurt. So you just put this in the buckle and then it unbuckles super easily. So I freaking love that. Then we have one of my favorite organizational finds from last year. This is a hat organizer that just sticks into a hanger and it just makes life so much better. Not to be dramatic, because my husband used to have baseball caps laying around everywhere and now they just hang here and we just put them in that rod. Next thing is this rack for all our mops, Swiffer, things like that, and it works so well. I've tried so many throughout the years and this one is the only one that holds them up. I like that it comes with hooks. You can hook different things, as you can see, or you can adjust these to hold up other stuff. They're great. I love that it has this grip that's silicone so they don't slide down. 10 out of 10 would recommend. We have these organizers that I use for like scent beads and Tide Pods. Another one of these acrylic Lazy Susans that I love for just seeing things, because this is like right above the doggy bath. And then these slide out. We also have these in the kitchen for dishwasher pots and they work great. Okay, I actually keep this on the side and not here, but for the sake of the video I wanted to show you. So this is a set. It comes with the bin for the lint and it also comes with this one and with the brush holder. I was just right now doing laundry, so this is absolutely packed, and then the brush is super dirty because I wash a rug. And if you don't want to display it, you can simply put it on the side and then it's out of sight, and it's just super functional. I've been wanting to install this for a hot minute. My husband finally did it. He said it wasn't too hard, so I might even wait until Black Friday and get another one. Highly recommend. This is a smart thermostat by Amazon. The Google one is pretty expensive, and usually all those like smart thermostats are. You can actually control it on your phone with an app or with, you know, Alexa. So amazing, especially because we get to control it from our bedroom when Olivia is asleep. If it's too cold or too warm, I think this is like a must. You never really know how much you need a tiny vacuum until you are doing stuff every day and you're like, huh, let me just use this real quick. For drawers, for cabinets, for hard to reach spaces. It comes with multiple heads and it comes in handy every single day, y'all. And we have our sunglass case and organizer. I actually just got another one in white with 2 drawers because I was getting tired of having to stack these, so I'm just gonna leave this one for my husband and then I'll use the white one that I just got, so I'll link both below. Obviously it's nice to have a space for our sunglasses, and we have it right here by our back door, but also this case prevents them from getting dusty. Like, as you can see, the case is dusty, it's leather, and it's really nice, but our sunglasses are nice and safe from the dust, so it keeps them clean, super inexpensive, my go-to gift recommendation every single year. These are 2 more that I use every single day. Barefoot Dreams dupes for like 30 bucks. This one I got recently. It's like a plain white one, and then this one I've had for over a year now. It's like the classic Barefoot Dreams print, super soft, washes so well. I think going on 2 years and it's still just as soft. All of our curtain rods and curtains are from Amazon. I just really like the look of these matte black ones in our living room. We have them in every window, and then these are super nice, very airy and lightweight linen curtains, and they were very inexpensive, and they came with 2 panels, so this one just lets the right amount of light in without having to sacrifice privacy, which I love. Okay, we have so many kitchen finds. This entire video could be just the kitchen because almost everything is Amazon. So first we have these little spice bottles that came with both labels, and I think it comes with 24 for like 30 bucks, a really good deal. Then we have my favorite knives. I just love how aesthetically pleasing these are. I love the block, I love the white, but also the fact that they really work. I didn't realize how dull and bad quality our knives were until we got these in the mail. They're amazing, and usually they go on sale. And then we have this paper towel holder that you can either drill into a cabinet or you can just tape it. It's just great for freeing counter space, and we have it right there. I just realized that I could probably get a gold one to match the rest. We have our kitchen cabinet and drawer pulls. I love these. I think they're so stunning. We used to have matte black ones, and I just think these add a little bit more character to our kitchen. I love the tone of the brass. I love how they look. I'm just obsessed with these. Had to mention our kitchen runner. I mean, I literally walk on this every single day. And my favorite part of this runner, I mean, it's huge. It was very inexpensive, but y'all, it's machine washable, which is a freaking game changer. It washes so well. It literally looks brand new afterwards, and I just do like a gentle cycle and it gets rid of all the stains, everything, and it just adds a little pop of color to our kitchen. I love this runner. I'm almost embarrassed to show you guys my air fryer because I just realized how dirty it is. But y'all, this air fryer is a freaking game changer. It has so many different features or modes that you could do. Mostly we just do the air fryer, but you could do bagels, you can do toast, you can do pizza, you can dehydrate. It also comes with a basket for fries. You can also do a whole rotisserie chicken. It's just such a good air fryer. We used to have a different one and I just love this one so much more. It is pretty bulky though, so I don't think it's very like small kitchen friendly, but it's so good and under $100. I mostly wanted a calendar for our personal life that we could both see every single day. So we have this one that came in a pack with these two. It's the beginning of the week, so we haven't written anything, but they are really good, and they're actually not magnetic. They just stick to any flat like smooth surface. And then we have our pot filler, hands down one of the best things we added to our kitchen. It's just so convenient. We have it above our stove. Our ice machine, we use this every dang day, multiple times a day, and we are obsessed. Like, I literally, not to be dramatic, don't know what I used to do without this. And then I decided to upgrade very recently our scooper because it comes with like a boring gray plastic scooper, and I got this really pretty one from Amazon for like $9 that is metal and just so pretty. I wonder if I've ever talked about this. This is our little microwave cover that we use literally multiple times a day, and it's fun because this is magnetic, like the green parts, and it's supposed to stick to the top of the microwave. Our microwave is in metal at the very top, so it doesn't stick. Well, a reminder to clean my microwave. I use this every single day. We have multiple ones in our house, and I actually just ordered the Stanley Cup so I could compare it for y'all. But if you don't want to splurge in the Stanley Cup, get this one. It's still 40 ounces. It still fits in a cup holder. It keeps your water cold. It has a handle, but it's half the price. In my office, we have this amazing acrylic monitor stand. It has made such a difference with my posture because the monitor is sitting higher, and I also really like the fact that I can just put this away and then right here, so I have the free space. This is a desk pad that I also get from Amazon, and then that way I don't have to have like a mouse pad. I just have this whole thing, and it just protects the desk and covers everything. And then back to the acrylic stand, it has this spot to put your phone for meetings, FaceTime, whatever, and to actually charge it, which I really like. And I love the fact that it's clear. I just think it looks very nice and sleek. Wow, definitely did not plan that transition, but speaking of sleek, this thing is amazing. So it's called a sleek socket, and there's a bunch of different options, a bunch of different lengths, but I don't have it how it's supposed to go right now because I couldn't show you otherwise. But it's just this long extension cord, and it lays completely flat. So if, for example, you have a plug behind your bed and you don't want to bend it, like whatever thing you connect, or you just simply can't connect it, you put this in and then use the extension cord. I just have the 3-1 right here, and that way it completely lays flat without sacrificing anything. So the reason why I got this is actually behind this bookshelf, and as you can see, there's no way I could show you, but I can just connect it in the back and then run it through here, and it makes such a difference having it on that side. But I just wanted to show you, we also have some downstairs by our TV, and it comes with cable hiders. So I just have it here for now because I moved my office around, but I had to show y'all because it's amazing. It's like 20 bucks and it makes such a difference. Okay, on my nightstand we have a few things. We have this really pretty decorative rattan and wood tray. I got it used like new, and it had like a few nick, like right here you can see, but I don't really mind. I got a huge discount, so that's just like a little tip. Then we have my alarm clock with really pretty sound and like a nice light and all this stuff. I've been using it again recently because I hadn't been needing it because of Olivia, but now that I'm waking up like extra early, it's such a good way to wake up. It doesn't like startle you. This tissue cover box, very unnecessary. It just makes your tissues look cute and aesthetically pleasing. So guys, those are almost all my Amazon finds that I use every day, because I actually decided to do a second part with even more things because it was kind of getting all over the place and it was getting a little long. So if you like these videos, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I'll go ahead and make another one with even more things. And then I definitely owe y'all the baby finds that I use every day, because God knows I use a lot of things for that girl. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's everything I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.